Good morning, everybody. I've just completed an install of the Morimoto Pindicators. I have the box right here. The Morimoto. These are just standard Pindicators for motorcycles. MC indicator. Morimoto makes great stuff. I've been using them for years. I tend to prefer their products over others. But this is not a daytime running light, nor is this. These are just flashers or emergency flashers. And then on the side, there was this reflector. So I've replaced the reflector with this Pindicator. And as you can see by this thing right here, let's focus, that it tells you which way the direction is. And right now I've got it on the center stand, so I pointed them in alignment with the flasher so that they're kind of just slightly above it. But let's turn this on and see what that looks like for us. All right, so we have, this is about where you'd be sitting in a car, is right around here. And this is daytime. We'll do a nighttime as well. And as you can see, they're pretty bright. And if you get in the side, it definitely is lit up. You can see that better on the side than stock. All right, let's turn these flashers on so you can see everything with the flashers. And let's turn the lights off. Okay, Google, turn off the sun. And there's nighttime. Do a nice little walk around here. And from the side, that definitely makes a big statement. There's something there. It's not a big black spot. And I'll even do that again. I mean, you might see the tail light without that on there, but damn, is that bright. Definitely want to add more lights if you can, make yourself a little more visible, especially at night. Not that I'm doing a huge amount of night driving with this at this time. Let's get right in on one. Yeah, that is bright. There we have it. 2022 Honda ADV150 scooter with Morimoto Pindicators.